Now that we've finished our flight, it's time for us to take the Safe Air Phantom off of our drone. The first thing we're going to do is turn the switch into the off position. Now that the system is off, it's time for us to take the Safe Air Phantom off of the drone. The first thing we're going to do is turn the ratchet counterclockwise to loosen what we did previously when we tightened it. Okay, now that we've loosened it, we'll take the string off of the hook on the side, lift the Safe Air Phantom off the top, and take the drone up as follows. Now that we've taken the Safe Air Phantom off of the drone, the important thing to do is return the safety catch back to where it was before we began. You'll see it says safety catch right here. Simply stick the piece in place. This will prevent any accidental deployments while the system is away. And that's it.